Splash control is critical in small recirculating water features with limited water volume. Excess splash not only creates mess, but also leads to rapid water loss and frequent refilling. Atlantic splash rings are designed to eliminate splash and reduce evaporation, significantly prolonging the time between fill-ups. They're a simple, effective solution for maintaining consistent water levels in compact systems. The splash ring we're looking at today is the CFCR24, a 24-inch copper finished splash ring designed specifically for use with 24-inch spillways. Splash rings are also available in 12-inch and 36-inch lengths to match a variety of color falls, wall spout, and spillway installations. Installed directly on top of the basin, splash rings serve both a functional and aesthetic purpose. They soften water impact, control overspray, and add a clean, finished architectural accent to the display. For the most polished look, splash rings can be easily surrounded with decorative gravel. Built for long-term performance, Atlantic splash rings feature durable 304 stainless steel mesh paired with 3/4-inch stainless steel banding, providing strength, corrosion resistance, and years of reliable service in demanding water feature environments. And that's all you ever wanted to know about Atlantic stainless steel splash rings, but we're afraid to ask. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.